Assembled data resolves and combines multiple content types: public, private, specified, constructed, carrier-imposed fees, IATA taxes, and interline pricing, relying on live OAG schedules or predefined itinerary parameters. It provides airlines a timely and accurate picture of the competitive landscape. You can feed it straight into internal analytics, workflow automation, or business intelligence solutions, and it's also a valuable input for AI ML systems for smarter pricing. Assembled data is the best choice for airlines because it sits on top of ATPCO's comprehensive data storage. And over the last year, we've completed major tech upgrades that enable airlines and technology providers to process hundreds of thousands of origin-destination carrier combinations per hour, delivering frequent customized feeds. Assembled data isn't just about aggregating information, it's about transforming pricing strategies, enabling better decision-making, and enhancing revenue performance.